welcome to GreenBiz Studio. My name is Sarah Golden. I'm Senior Energy Analyst at GreenBiz, and I'm delighted to be joined today by Hannah Badrei, who is the VP of Energy Supply Advisory over at Edison Energy. Hannah, welcome.
Thank you, Sarah. It's wonderful to be here.
To start out, can you tell me a little bit about the work that you do with clients at Edison Energy?
Absolutely. Edison Energy advises clients on the intersection of energy, carbon, and sustainability issues. We focus primarily on the US, Europe, Canada, and Mexico. And our mission is to help empower clients, to help them understand the complex and highly volatile energy landscape, and to ensure that our solutions, which are very much tailored for every client, meet their cost, sustainability, and strategic goals. Hence, we really see our approach as tackling the 3 C's: complexity, carbon, and cost.
So give me an example of what this would look like. What's an example of an innovative solution that inspires you?
Yeah, so Edison is really supporting clients in various stages of their sustainability journey, with the first step, of course, being energy reduction via energy efficiency solutions. We offer a full suite of renewable solution, from purchasing unbundled renewable energy certificate, carbon offsets to address scope 1 emission, which is very challenging for a lot of our clients, on-site solar. With respect to off-site renewables, we are collaborating with retail electric providers that have the credit, the balance sheet, the trading capabilities to integrate physical power purchases agreement into our client's retail contract, which is a fairly new thing for us here. And we focus on deregulated markets such as ERCOT, PJM, and California. And really the intent here is to simplify this procurement mechanism and to mitigate some of the wholesale commodity risks. Lastly, Edison has been an innovator and leader in the virtual power purchase agreement space, which will remain a core business of ours, but we are also making a conscious decision to ask our clients the following question: what kind of impact do they want to make? So thinking of this as converting renewables purchases to impactful renewables purchases, and tying them to very relevant and specific sustainability goals that are perhaps outside of the GHG, but tied to local impact, educational initiatives, environmental justice, perhaps introducing our client to the notion of a social REX, or working with indigenous communities. And beyond the procurement of renewable energy, Edison would like to play a key role in promoting and fostering these partnerships in order to advance such a cause.
Yeah, I've been hearing more about organizations taking those additional aspects of renewable procurements into their decision making. So it's exciting to hear about that's something that you're seeing on your end too. When you're working with these clients, what are you finding that their biggest challenges are in achieving either their climate goals or their other strategic goals?
Of course, the 3 C's come to mind as cost and complexity, but I think if you look at it in the near term, Sarah, the biggest issue that we are facing as an industry is related to supply chain constraints. Scarcity of solar modules driven by increased demand, forced labor issues, the recent announcement by the Department of Commerce not to dismiss the anti-circumvent petition and to potentially expand solar import tariffs to other Asian countries will have a significant ramification on the solar industry. Just simply knowing that at the moment, 70% of our solar modules are imported, it will be very much a challenge to achieve these goals with domestic production. So for me, it's really hard to, sort of the biggest issues for us in the next couple of years will be supply chain issues.
Lastly, I know the clean energy landscape is evolving so quickly. What's your long-term strategy to help clients meet their goals, given how quickly everything is changing?
In order for us to make an impact around climate change, it is critical that we all look beyond our own scope 2 emissions. So for clients to look at it beyond their scope 2 emission and across the value chain, both upstream and downstream. So Edison is supporting clients like Honda at the moment to address their scope 3 emissions and drive change with their suppliers. And it all begins with education, whether it's offering workshops on how to reduce consumption, which is the first step, how to purchase renewables, and how to help some of the clients with establishing some of their GHG goals and create a roadmap to achieving those goals. The other thing that it's going to be perhaps worth noting is that we're seeing a lot of large investment in hydrogen in the US and in Europe, particularly, and that could play a key role in achieving decarbonization and addressing Scope 1 emissions.
Well, Hannah, thank you so much for coming to GreenBiz Studio today and sharing these insights with us. Until next time, I'm Sarah Golden for GreenBiz.